Hi, this is Gary Kayye. I'm here with Paige O'Neill. She's the Chief Marketing Officer of Prysm. First of all, good morning, Paige. How are you?
Good morning, Gary. I'm great. How are you?
How's the show been for you so far?
It's been really busy, exciting. It's our favorite show of the year.
Well, you guys just launched here recently the mobile functionality compatibility with the collaborative solution. Talk about that a little bit.
That's right. I mean, one of the things we're showing, and you see it right behind us here, is we've recently launched mobile access to our Prysm Visual Workplace. And so now, in addition to all the screens that we offer, you can access Prysm from any mobile device. So
show us how that works.
Yeah, you can see right here I've got an iPad, and in the back here we've got our 190 laser phosphor display, and so we're in the same project here together, and I can move content on the mobile device, and you can see that actually moves it on the big screen. I can go into and add content from multiple areas, and then that content will appear on the screen. I can edit and annotate content from the mobile device. Really, anything I can do on the screen now, I can do on the mobile device.
So basically, this is designed for both live collaboration with mobile devices and also far-end collaboration with mobile devices, right?
That's right. And so obviously the benefit this gives us is if you're a remote worker and you're not necessarily in an office in front of a big screen, you can now have the Prysm experience on any device.
And when is this going to be available?
It's available now.
And it's called what exactly?
It's called Prysm Mobile.
Prysm Mobile. Okay, so you go to prysm.com, Prysm.com, and you can see Prysm Mobile. We're going to go over and see the Skype for Business integration as well?
We are. We got a lot of exciting things happening with Microsoft. Let's go talk about that.
All right, let's go walk over there.
Okay.
She's going to follow us over.
Great.
Move this way.
Oh, now we're doing a demo over here, so.
Well, maybe we can kind of cut into his demo.
Cut into the demo. So we've got here our sales guy is talking about the great integration that we've done with Skype for Business. So now in the menu, and you can see on the left-hand side of the screen, you've got the Skype for Business menu exactly as you'd see it on your desktop. You've got your contacts. You're able to make Skype calls and just have the same experience on the screen as you would have if you were on your desktop. And so the benefit this offers is if I don't necessarily have access to the Prysm application, I can log into my Skype and be able to participate through Skype versus logging into Prysm. So it's just extending it again for more remote users.
So the advantage there is that you have a familiar interface that you're used to using. You don't have to have a separate login. You're using one login for everything.
That's right. And the other thing that we've done is we've created something that we call the broadcast zone, and it's a square of content that's unique to Prysm, or a square that you can pull content into. So I know that my mobile user can't necessarily see the entire desktop, but if I pull the content I want to share into the broadcast zone, that's what they're able to see, and vice versa. The remote user can put content into a broadcast zone so we can see it on the big screen.
So in the bottom left-hand corner, is that a broadcast zone?
That's a Skype window.
Okay, where's the broadcast zone on this image?
You actually have it up, unfortunately.
Okay, but if you just open up a square, and you can have multiple broadcast zones on at the same time.
You can, yeah.
So how about can we go over here and check out? These are are these 4K touch screens over here?
They are, yeah.
Go over here and check those out.
Absolutely.
So you guys have been in 4K longer than most people even knew what 4K was. Yeah, the first place I ever saw 4K at a trade show was actually Prysm.
Wow.
Yeah. So tell us what this is. I mean, because this is huge for a touchscreen.
Right, and so we've just recently come out with, this is a 98-inch LCD screen, and so it's recently added to our lineup, and you can see it's got a really beautiful 4K resolution, and it interfaces with our Prysm Visual Workplace the same as everything else, and so it's just a new addition to the lineup. And you can see here that we've got some video conferencing functionality loaded up there on the top, so you can pull in any kind of content as you can with any of our systems. So whether it's a Polycom, teleconferencing, or Skype for Business, our goal is to enable access to really any of the standard enterprise applications or solutions that companies are using to collaborate.
And what sizes? I mean, this is, what did you say, this is 90 or 92?
98.
Oh, 98. Okay, so it also comes in smaller configurations as well.
That's right. So right next to it, to the right here, we've got another screen that we just came out with a couple of months ago. We call it a Dual 85, and so this is two 185-inch LCDs mounted side by side, and they function as one screen. So if we walk over, I'll show you how you can pull content between one screen and the next. So if I go over to this screen, you can see here that I can pull content over and just have it function as one screen. And so the benefit of this is obviously if I want to do a side-by-side, the configuration in my conference room, I can just use this as one screen. I might have a space limitation that means that I want to use a side-by-side, or I just might like the configuration on the wall. It's really for us about flexibility. You've got multiple different screen sizes and now the mobile access.
I'm taking my mic back. That was great.
Taking over, Gary.
Well, this is great. So all of it is at Prysm.com. Of course, we're going to shoot individual videos here as well. So you can go to the video search window and type in Prysm, P-R-Y-S-M. Thanks for joining me this morning, Paige. I really appreciate it. All of this is shipping?
Absolutely.
All of it's available. That's great. Thanks for watching. We got a lot more to shoot. But type in Prysm in the video search window to see all the individual videos on each of these stations as well.